Welcome to the magical world of Harry Potter. Today we're stepping behind the scenes at the Warner Brothers Studios. I'm super excited for this, like I'm way too excited. I don't even know how to begin to explain how I'm feeling right now. We just made it through security and here we go. The tour starts now. Whoa! First thing, we're gonna go buy the scarves. Amy is a Gryffindor and I am a Hufflepuff. From iconic movie sets to spellbinding secrets, I'll take you through everything a true Potterhead must see. Grab your wands and let's dive into the magic.
They started off in the first films only using a couple of children from the local school. But after that, more and more children were being asked to join the Harry Potter team.
I was an extra in all of the Harry Potter films. I started when I was 11. Life on the set of Harry Potter was really fun.
They got loads of school children from the local area.
So you'd be on Harry Potter with your friends. It sort of became like normal life.
We spent a lot of our time cracking wise, making jokes a lot of the time.
Know that we are standing at the entrance of the castle. It's a great hall. It was one of the first sets ever constructed for the films. As you can probably tell, it's also one of the largest. This is what we call in the industry a hot set, meaning that everything is set, dressed and ready for filming.
First stop, the Great Hall. One of the most iconic sets in the series. Look at these long wooden tables, the floating candles, and even the house points hourglasses. Did you know this set was used in all 8 films? It's pure Hogwarts magic. I'm loving it.
Things cooling down. There's 2 fans inside of that animatronic head to also make sure he's nice and cool throughout the scene as well. And he's got 1 earpiece for the director and 1 for the scene, so he's got a lot going on inside this costume. But paired that, we have to pair it with his infamous voice lines, of course.
You're a wizard, Harry.
And we can't forget this one as well.
I shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that.
And many.
If you ever dreamt of flying on a broomstick, here's your chance. This green screen Quidditch experience lets you live your seeker fantasy. Lallu, night bus. هناك المينستري اوف ماجيك. Next, we're entering the Forbidden Forest. It's dark, eerie, and full of surprises. Buckbeak. Look, there's Aragog. The animatronics here are incredible. My favorite was Buckbeak.
Away, babe. بالسريع tayo.
All aboard the Hogwarts Express. This is the actual train used in the films. From platform 9 3/4 to the detailed compartments, it's a Potterhead dream. I mean, who doesn't want to ride the train to Hogwarts?
Now it's time to try Butterbeer. I feel like I'm a kid again.
Of course, no visit to the Harry Potter studio is complete without trying Butterbeer.
Cheers.
Alright, yeah, go. How was that?
Amazing, I love it. It's very sweet.
Sweet, creamy, and completely magical.
It's very sweet.
No, it's not bad.
It's good, eh?
I was expecting something weird.
Famous bridge, the night bus we can see over there. The Weasley's car. All destinations, nothing underwater.
Gringotts. شي جميل.
The vault cart right here. The attention to detail everywhere is insane.
دي مش الفولت tal-Strange. Now on to Diagon Alley. Wandering through here feels like stepping straight into the wizarding world. From Ollivanders to Weasley's Wizard's Wheezes. Every shop window is packed with magical details.
شي جميل.
Did you know that Hogwarts Castle model was hand-built by over 40 artists? It's breathtaking in person.
And our tour is coming to an end with Hogwarts behind us and we're exiting to the store. I really don't want this to end. I don't want to leave this place.
Lynn is about to cry.
And last but not least, don't forget the gift shop. It's a treasure trove of wizarding goodies. There's something for every fan. And of course, I had to get the Elder Wand.
Mela, I'm gonna get Dumbledore's wand. Where is it? Gonna get Dumbledore's wand. Let's open it up.
Ooh.
That is
Wow.
beautiful.
I told him to get this, by the way, because he was gonna get the...
Voldemort's wand.
Yeah, but come on.
I mean, this is the Deathly Hallows
This is
wand,
the
so-
most powerful of
Yep.
them all, so...
Yep, that's the one. What an experience that was. I'm never gonna forget this in my life. I never actually thought that I'm gonna be here.
And that's a wrap on our magical journey through the wizarding world of Harry Potter. What's your favorite part? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more adventures. Until next time, mischief managed.